guys, so we're doing 10 jumps and I reached 10 subscribers. Thank you guys. Whoever did the 9 subscribers, it's now I have 10 subscribers. Maybe ask you. Now I'm listening one of your guys' comments. So you're commenting. If you're watching this video, wait, maybe fix the table.
Today we're making paratha. It's a popular street food from Mumbai and gets its rich flavor from 3 different chutneys. First up, a tamarind chutney that is filled with jaggery, spiced with cumin, ginger, chili, and salt, and cooked until thick.
Yeah.
Then there's a great
Now we're doing the 10 jumps.
Peanuts and coconut that are ground together with green chili and salt until you have a coarse powder. And finally, a tangy coriander chutney with coriander, green chili, garlic, ground cumin,
Did 3 times.
lemon juice, and cold water. The centerpiece is made of potatoes and are
4
spiced with
times.
mustard seeds, curry leaves, and asafoetida.
5 times.
Garlic, ginger, and green chili. Add some turmeric, the mashed potatoes, lemon juice,
6
and
times.
salt. Then shape it into pennies like this. They are then coated
Well,
in a simple batter.
7 times.
Turmeric, asafoetida,
8 times.
and water before
I
they
like
are
this.
to go. Add the chutneys and find the
9 times. 10 times. Now we're doing the next ring.
Cover the proteins. Let's go. Chicken fryer. Kafta, grilled fresh chicken right off the spit. Fresh chicken, habibi.
Now we're doing 10 jumps here.
After that's too much. That's too much.
Apo, please, I'm a video like this. Hey, video. Roma, shut up! You're gonna cut it down. 1.
Make sure this is the last one.
2. 3. Apo! Takos! আমি কি বললাম? এটা কোনো খারাপ জিনিস হবে না। আমার ভিডিও ডুয়েন। 4. 5.
Fresh is best.
6. Apo! কোনো এসব হবে না।
Go for 7.
7.
হাত পায়ে লাগবে?
আপু কিছু বলো না, না হলে ভালো হবে না। 9.
Okay, then this is the final one.
10.
Stop it now.
এটা
No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
এটার আরু পাড আছে। আব্বু
Record it. Stop koro.
আব্বু হবে না ভালো করে। Now we have this.
First one, garlic pickle. Second one, garlic pickle. Third one, tomatoes, onions, and parsley. Kafta, chicken.
আমার গাল তো বললি কেমন মেরে
Right on top. Habibi, this looks bomb.
ওকে, গরম ধরে গেছে। ওকে, ফাইন, গুড।
Now we're done.